To create a new CMS account, go to the login page and click Sign Up. On the registration form, fill in all required fields. Look for the red asterisks to guide you. Be sure to create a password that meets the security requirements and that you will be able to either find again or will remember. Next, you'll be prompted to create 3 security questions and provide answers. Opt into email updates, then accept the terms and conditions. After completing the form, enter the one-time password, OTP, sent to you to verify your account. Once verified, log in using your username and a new OTP to start using the CMS.